Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is a hypothetical type of artificial intelligence that can understand or learn any intellectual task a human can. AGI is still a long way off, but if achieved, it could profoundly impact several technological areas, including the design of silicon chips used for AI applications. In addition to improving performance and power efficiency, AGI could also help design silicon chips tailored explicitly for AI applications. For example, AGI could design chips better at processing large amounts of data or more efficient at learning new patterns. It will be able to do so due to capturing the ins and outs of how different workloads have performed. Currently, this task is very manual, and with AGI, it is possible to speed up the analysis flow tremendously. AGI might also be able to identify that the chip's memory bandwidth is a bottleneck. It means the chip cannot access its memory fast enough, compared to the expectation, to meet the application's demands. AGI would then use this information to develop a new design architecture that improves the chip's memory bandwidth. The development of AGI for silicon chips is still in its early stages, with few examples of designing chips on its own. However, it has the potential to revolutionize the way that we design and build silicon chips. By working together, AGI and neuromorphic silicon chips could create a new generation that is more powerful, efficient, and scalable than possible.